Hi everyone, in this framework tutorial we're gonna create this 3D text animation for the section headlines. Since we use scroll variant effect whenever a scroll section is in the viewport, we can see that section's headline takes its place with a great animation, right? So let's get started. The most important pre-made element in the starter file is this auto wrap stack that contains our headlines included in the frame called sticky to position our headlines. The reason I am using also a headlines inner frame to transform all headlines comfortably by applying transforms to it, since I've added a preserve transform property to it along with depth and perspective. And like my other tutorials with the same structure, we have a sample footer section with a go to top button for a better demonstration. We're gonna start with creating our headlines component. In the component screen, I will select my headline clarity, and after duplicating it, I'm going to change its text to navigation. I'm going to make sure that it is horizontally centered, and I'll repeat the process to create other two headlines, making sure they're all centered. And since of course we need to hide the other headlines, I will select all except clarity and make their opacity 0. Let's create 3D depth differences between headlines, since we're gonna use them in our animation. We need the one at the very back to have 0 depth. So I will select the headline performance and make its depth 0. Then we're gonna increase each headline's depth by 100. So I will make next one's depth 100. And I'm gonna leave navigation's depth at 200. And I will make clarity's 300. Now we can start creating new variants for our animation, right? After creating variant 2, I will select headlines inner and make its X rotation -30. And I will select all the invisible headlines and make their opacity 1, since we want them to be visible while we rotate them. Then I will duplicate variant 2, name it variant 22, carry it under variant 2 and make the first headline's depth 500. And opacity 0. Since we want second headline to take the first one's place after fading out, I will select it and make its depth 300. I will continue selecting headlines and increasing their depths by 100. So I will select responsiveness and make its depth 200. Lastly, I will select the last headline and make its depth 100. Now that we have repositioned the headlines, we can take them back to their initial position, right? But to do that, we need a new variant to complete our animation for this headline. So I will duplicate variant 22 and name it variant 23 and carry it under the previous one. Then I will select headlines inner frame and make its X rotation 0. Of course I need to select last two headlines and make their opacity 0, right? Before creating a transition between the second variant group, I will select the first variant, click spring next to transition on the right panel, while keeping the time value at 0.4 seconds. I'm gonna make bounce 0 to set the values for all the variants. Now I can drag a connection from variant 2 to the next one. While making trigger appear, I can make delay 0.2 seconds. And I will repeat that, dragging a connection from 2 to 1 to the next one. Then we can go back to home screen, and before adding scroll variant effect to our headlines component, we can create all the trigger sections, right? So I will duplicate the trigger stack, make its scroll section 2, and I can paste its text that I've created with ChatGPT. I'll repeat the process for other trigger sections. Let's add scroll variant effect to our headlines component. and make a trigger section in view, report center, and when section 2 is at the middle of the report, we need our headlines component to switch to its second variant, right? Let's test the first step of our animation. And it works, right? Now we can go back to headlines components screen and repeat the process to create other variants. So I will duplicate variant 2.3, name it variant 3, move it up to align it with variant 2. Then in variant 3, I will make headlines inners X rotation -30. Select top 2 headlines and make their opacity 1. Duplicate variant 3 and name it variant 3.2. Take it below variant 3. Select navigation. Make its opacity 0 and depth 500. Then I will select responsiveness and make its depth 300. Since again we are placing the next headline to the front, and of course the headline at the back needs to have its depth increased by 100, right? Then I'll duplicate variant 3.2, name it variant 3.3, align it, and to take the headlines to their original position, I will make headline inners X rotation 0. And of course I need to select the last headline and make its opacity 0, right? Now we can connect the third set of variants with appear triggers, right? So after dragging a connection from variant 3 to the next one, again the trigger is gonna be appear and delay is gonna be 0.2 seconds. And I'll do the same for the next 2 variants. While we're at the component screen, I will repeat these steps once more to create the last set of variants for our animation. Now we can go back to home screen and add other variants to our animation, right? So after clicking add section, for section 3, I'm gonna select variant 3. And for section 4, of course, I'm gonna select variant 4. Now we can test the completed animation, right? We can see each section's headline takes its place with an awesome animation, right? I hope you liked the tutorial. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe, turn the notifications on, check my other tutorials, and see you in the next one.